Good afternoon. Friends, today we are going to see the rhythm of Bank Nifty. I mean, the dance and the move or waves, we can tell. So, every day Bank Nifty is moving 500 to 600 points up or down. And we are very much trying to catch at least 100 to 200 points either side by the way of buying or selling. And most probably we used to succeed a day or two, and most of the times we get into trouble because we don't use many techniques or many things which should be observed. So a lot of people just take an entry due with their intention or with the chart move or anything like that. But there are some other things which can be monitored and can be used for the trading. Today I'd like to give some one or two small tips which can be useful before taking a trade. So every day from morning 9:15 to 3:30, rates are fluctuating from low to new high, from new high to new low, and we are confused either to take a buy or a sell. So now, in my view, if we observe certain things, we can at least, without any confusion, we can catch, say, 100 to 200 points by buying or selling. And if you're an option trader, we can comfortably make 80 to 100 points profit in buying a call or put option. So, in my view, we have to observe a lot of things, which will be very useful. Mostly, we no need of looking at a chart or anything. Just by observing the price action, we can identify the entries, and we can identify to certain extent some targets also with the time frame. So now I would like to give a small view. Hello, sir. Narayan, sir.
How are you?
Hello. Yeah, welcome. So now today I would like to give some small tips which can be very useful for our trading this thing. For example, now I would like to share my screen. See, in this screen, I have given Nifty and Bank Nifty here, futures, and whereas Bank Nifty options, call option for 10 strike rates and put option for 10 strike rates. What we want to observe, for example, now Nifty is trading around 16,332 at present, and it is 0.24% plus from yesterday's close, whereas Bank Nifty is trading at 34,750, which is 1.25% above yesterday's closing. That means it is very clear today Bank Nifty is having a very good support or a very good move upside move. So for the past 3-4 days, it was in a negative and it's weak, and now today it is showing some strength. So this strength may be continuing for another 2-3 days. So in this way, today we should try to take any entries in only Bank Nifty buying. So whenever we get a dip, we should buy Bank Nifty. Whenever there is a bounce, we can sell Nifty, or else we can hedge our positions like buying a Bank Nifty call option and selling Nifty put option at the money or little bit in the money, so that whenever we get a decent profit, we can square up both the positions together. So this is one observation which most of us will not do. In my view, we want to first of all observe the price action. So for example, today's Bank Nifty's low is 34,218. High is 34,815. That is almost 600 points. And we should know Bank Nifty's range for the day. Usually every day Bank Nifty will be moving in a range of 500 to 600 points. So today morning from 9:15 up to maybe around 12:30 like that, it was trading in a band of 280 points high low. That means we have a potential of another 200 to 300 points move. Either if it breaks the high, it may go upside, or if it breaks the low, it may come downside. So it have to fulfill its range, every day's range. So in that way, whenever we get this type of opportunities, we should try to enter and use the opportunity. For example, Bank Nifty 300, low was 218 and high was 469 up to 11:30. Then it went up to 494 high around 12 o'clock. Once if it broke the level, it went up to 746 and now 815 levels also. So that means Bank Nifty is having a very good support and the bounce was very short. And now as such, even now there are more than 80% chance Bank Nifty will break the high. Today's high at 815 and it may reach a high about 830 or 35 levels. So in my view, in this way, we have to try to take some positions. And Nifty is little bit weak than Bank Nifty as such. So whenever there is a bounce, we can sell Nifty and we can buy Bank Nifty. Before that, we should know in Bank Nifty, many scripts like HDFC Bank, Kotak, all are showing a lot of strength and it is in a very positive territory. For example, Kotak Bank, it is trading around 1,808.5. All these are future rates. 809 is the high. So in my view, Kotak Bank will move another 10 to 12 rupees from this level before closing. So may around 18,000, 16 to 18,000, 18 levels I expect. Today's high will be, that will be the high for the day. And the HDFC Bank, it is trading around 1,335. 39 is the high. So I expect it to trade up to 1,344 levels. So this is my view. So another 0.5% move in all these banks. Bank Nifty is showing a lot of strength. Here, once we come to these options also, it will clearly give whenever we have this type of setup with the 10 strike rates, either side, in call option or put option, we can see the dance, how it is going. The put will go upside, call will come downside at the money. So the rhythm, we can enjoy the rhythm. With this price action, we can come to a conclusion whether it is strong or weak. So watching all the options together, I mean, the call or put for 4 or 5 strikes together, it will give much more confidence for our entries. So, and today now Bank Nifty is trading around 34,750. And today's ATP as such now it is 34,550. So around 200 points above the average level. That means it is having a lot of strength. So this strength will be continuing up to today's closing, because a lot of people, those are entered short in the morning, they have to cover their positions before closing. So some short covering will be happening, and these things we have to monitor minute to minute or every 5-10 minutes at least. So now these type of observations will give some sort of target, and for today most probably it may break the high once. Say 34,815 will be broken. From there, some correction will be there, maybe 100 to 150 points. But we can't expect a big move like another 300 points from this level. So already it have went up in a very good manner. So now, in my view, any dip is a buying opportunity, and the target will be 34,815 today's high. Once if it breaks the high, it may go another 30-40 rupees upside. And moreover, before seeing this Nifty or Bank Nifty, and today Nifty was very strong in the morning only because of Reliance. Reliance went up by 30 points in the morning. Reliance now it is 2,509. Morning continuously from 2,400 to 495 to 536 in half an hour, 1 hour. So that means Reliance 1.5% upside means it will give Nifty at least 40 points move. And now Reliance is also showing little strength. It may go up to 2,520 levels. And in Bank Nifty, as I told, high is broken. High is 17. Now already it is broken. So we got another 60 points or 70 points just in a matter of 5 to 10 minutes. So this is the way we have to see. I didn't see any chart, any activities. I'm just watching the price action, and I gave the targets. And as I told you, Bank Nifty broke the high of 815, 817 is the high. So most probably once again it may break the high. Maybe not that much, there won't be a big up move, but here and there some corrections will be there. But our view is to make some 50-60 points in a matter of 10-20 minutes. For example, 34,800 call. Says 34,600 call. When I started the meeting around 2:30, this call was trading around 326, 232. It was 326. The high is 382. So 60 points move just in a matter of 5 to 10 minutes after the meeting scheduled. So without seeing any chart, anything, we can easily find out the move and we can use it. And every day, no need to do any homework, yesterday's homework or today's or the EOD chart or the monthly chart or weekly chart. Just sit in front of the screen, observe it for an hour or two or whatever it is. You will get some clue. Either Nifty is having strength or Bank Nifty is having strength. So if you think Bank Nifty is having strength, try to enter in that. And if you feel Nifty is a little bit weak, you sell Nifty. If you are really a little bit confused whether to, if you can't take any clear direction, that means you sell Nifty and buy Bank Nifty. You hedge the positions in that way. Then also you can make money. So these are all small observations what we have to do, and which will be very useful for our entries. So once again, in next 5 to 10 minutes, I expect Bank Nifty will break the high. So 817 is the high. It will break the high also. Maybe another 20-30 points upside. As I told you, Kotak, I told you. Kotak Bank broke the high. 870 was the high. Now it is 990. And again, it will go upside. Maybe another 2 or 4 rupees upside. HDFC Bank, 39 is the high. Most probably it will break the high also. Today, IndusInd Bank was very good strength from the morning. Once it crossed at 904 in the morning, it was very strong, and now 923 is the high, and it will again break the high. And ICICI Bank is trading nearby the high, today's high. So all this put together, we can come to a conclusion. Bank Nifty is very strong. Now again, it is moving little upside. 805, 817 is the day's high. So this way we have to monitor our entries and get very good returns without any confusions. So not necessarily we should trade every 10 minutes or 20 minutes. Whenever we get the opportunity, we can try to make use of that. So after half an hour of 1 hour of opening also, we can try to enter the trading and make some benefits in this. So today, as I told you, the observations, what we want to do before taking a trade is where it is trading. For example, is it trading above the ATP of the day? That is VWAP, weighted average, volume weighted average, above that or below that. So how long it is below this level and how long it is above that level. Based on that, we should come to a conclusion whether it is having a strength or not. So we have to keep on monitoring every 10 minutes, 5 minutes or 15 minutes, whichever we are used to it. So we can make benefits from these entries like that. So today, just to give some awareness, I have given these observations, key observations, what we should like to watch. And moreover, if you go for a EOD chart, that will give a different story. As per yesterday's EOD chart, everything is in sell mode only. But today market is up. Bank Nifty is up 460 points. Those who are following EOD charts, only the closing rate, they have to close their position. And today also, many indicators are not showing upside. Still, it is in negative zone only. So only other indicators will give a buy only if it closes above 35,150 levels, in my view. So Bank Nifty above 35,150, I expect there will be some up move up to 35,800 to 36,000 levels. That may happen maybe by this week or Monday or Tuesday of next week. So we have to keep in mind how to enter and see the price actions. So in 1 hour, what is the high low? In another next 1 hour, what is the high low? Either it had broken the high or not, how much it had moved from breaking the high, where it closed. So all these things will give some clear ideas. Along with that, without any confusion, we can trade. It is not that by taking the chart or anything, without seeing a chart also, you can easily trade with these type of observations. So friends, I request, because everyone now are very much interested in trading Bank Nifty options lizard. So in options, every half an hour at the money will decay by 8 to 10 rupees. So if you hold the option for a day, you will be losing at least 25 rupees in the form of decay. So that means after the decay, how much we are going to earn. So if we find out a 100 points move only, after decay, we may get around 70 or 80 points. So first of all, we should know whether this option will move 100 points or 120 points in an intraday basis. So that if it should move 100 points means Bank Nifty must move at least 200 points. So I'm talking about at the money. So all these things based upon our experience and how we are monitoring the rates will give more success. Now actually Bank Nifty is around 34,720 low now. And in my view, definitely it will break the high from here also. This is my observation. Any low is also a buying opportunity. So any entry here, you can comfortably get 60 to 80 points before closing. That's the way we have to try the entries. Okay. Thank you, friends. Anyone have any ideas? I mean, any doubts regarding this? You can chat with me. You unmute your voice and you can chat. Narayan sir. Hello.
Just wanted to understand this 10 strike prices which you are telling. Hello. Are you able to hear me? Hello.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Am I audible now? Hello.
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 Sir, you unmute.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
You are audible,
Hello.
sir. Please, sir. Please go ahead.
I am audible? Yeah.
Yes, yes.
This 10 strike prices which you are telling me.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah. Can I talk? Hello.
Hello. Hello. Yeah. Sir, can you hear me, sir? No problem.
I can hear you.
Hello.
I can hear you.
In this chart also, it is a 1 hour chart for Bank Nifty. It is showing strength hourly basis. So it had almost each and every hour it had broke the high. And this last hour also it had broke the high. Let us see for where it closes today. So most probably, in my view, we can see some more upside before closing in Bank Nifty at least. Hello. Hello. Sir, Narayan sir. I am not hearing.
Hello. I am able to hear you.
Hello. Sorry, I'm not, it's not responding. But anyhow, you are able to hear me, no? But I'm not hearing it.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, anyhow, just message me. How was it? Okay, sir. Thank you. We'll keep in touch. So, friends, that's all for the day. Most probably, I'll come in once again as a live tomorrow or day after like this, and I'll upload this video in YouTube. Please view that. I'll send the link also. Subscribe it so that you'll get a lot of new other videos with more information, which will be very short and crispy. Thank you, friends. Thanks for joining.